Hi students, I want to show you today how to check that your classwork is done. So you want to go into classwork and you're going to go into view your work. So here I am in view my work and this is the name of the student. I'm going to go down and it's going to show me what I turned in. Okay, it shows a video I turned in. Good. So now I need to go to this next one, this next assignment. It says it's missing. So I need to click on it. And I'll just move up here. How to adjust YouTube video speed. And it's missing. Uh-oh. Let's click view details. So I can see that I've got a video over here and I need to mark it as done. But first I need to watch it. So the instructions say watch the video. I'm going to watch the video and watch it, how to adjust the speed, pause it, and I've watched it, so you need to watch it till the end, but now I need to go back to turn it in. So I am going to click this back arrow right here. And the back arrow turned me to the assignment page, and I need to mark it as done. So I will mark it as done. If I wanted to make a comment, I could tell Julie something here. So it says you didn't attach work. Well, it's just a video. So I'm going to mark it as done. Now I want to go back to that assignment page and check to see if I got everything else. So I click the back arrow here. And it shows me that I have turned it in. And uh-oh, I've got another video that's missing, so I better turn that one in too. So that's how you turn in your work.